κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is 250 NK, is existing exactly the same bike also in 300 cubics by CF Moto. And what about this motorcycle? This is a motorcycle that it's let's say for inside the city and little bit outside of it. It's also a motorcycle for a teenage that wants to move in style, because this is a naked style sport motorcycle, looks like a street fighter, and it's got nice things to play the teenager, like for example the TFT screen clock that we got here. The position of riding and equip in this motorcycle. What we got? We got single stand, we got everything in a correct position, we got mirrors that they got good view back, and we have a big seat for the rider. Do I feel comfortable? I can say for inside the city, even for me, it's a comfortable position of riding. I have rubber here on the steppers. Everything is in the correct position. Of course, the wind and the rain and everything is on my face, so this bike is not so much for the winter time. But yes, I feel comfortable. The fat bar also is good. I have a nice feeling. Let's see now with Georgia, that also got few rubber in the steppers, and let's say not the biggest saddle that is existing.
A slim seat. Slim.
So Georgia, how you are feeling in the slim saddle?
Well, it's not for many kilometers.
But for inside the city, I think that it's okay.
Yes, I think it's okay.
Yeah, fine, nice.
Fine.
Clocks. You see, even down of so much sun, you can still see the TFT screen. Okay, you control it from your left hand, and this is the basic things. You got a few blibliki, RPM counter, kilometer counter, temperature, gasoline, and with enter. Come on, you are going in the menu, you got navigator, telephone, settings, etc. Let's going in there for examine settings. Okay, I'm not gonna be stay for a long. I don't like all this electronic system. I am Paleolithic, I am from the Philstones family. Let's start it. That's it. Nice clock anyway. Simple, nice, and you can see it clear down of the sun. Okay, I feel comfortable, everything is in a correct position, I have a good view back, I am not protected from the weather. Let's hear the engine. Oh, the engine sounds alive, and let's go. Yes, let's change some direction fast. Okay, we can do it very easy, it's nice. Now let's give some power. Yeah, we have power, it's okay, the engine. And let's make now a big corner. Yes, we corner it nice, and the brakes are okay, but new. Engine, 4-stroke, water cool, radiators here, nice engine, single, and is give us in the version of 250 cubics, give us 26 horses at 9,200 RPM and also 22 Nm at 7,250. If we are having the version of 300 NK, that is 292 cubics, is give us 28, 2 horses more at 8,750 RPM, and also it give us 25 Nm. Both of the bikes are 151 kilos. It's alive enough. We didn't press it at all. Not at all. We press it a bit because it's brand new. So that's why we didn't press it. But looks that it's okay. It's a live engine. I like it. Okay, what we have here, we got a nice face. All the lights are LED, flash, back lights, front light. The horn is extremely good. The horns are here. I have the radiator here. It's a little bit exposed to flies and etc. Got nothing to protect it. We got an upside down. We got a CF Moto brake front, and we got also the single piston brake back. I cannot tell you many things about the braking because the bike is brand new. You can see it as brand. We are the first that we ride it, and it's not stepping yet. So really, I cannot tell you nothing about the brakes. The ABS looks okay. The power looks okay. The fork is fat enough, but if I will tell you something, probably is not going to be the correct one because we are the first that we ride this motorcycle. Take a look. It's zero brakings, zero. The bike looks nice. We have a scale frame. It's everything looks okay, but it's a brand new. We don't know what is going to happen after 1 year, after 2 years, or after 3 years. It's a brand new, but as it is brand new, everything looks like. The plastics are soft. I like it a lot. Here is not fit so nice, but it's soft and you are not gonna destroy it if you're falling down. Here, the saddle is not the best possible, the material inside, you see, but it's okay. The paint on the engine looks perfect. It's got also some protection for the engine, also some carbon fiber style protections for the radiator. We got this is nice bike with a nice details, with this spider style wheels that are good for this motorcycle. Anyway, it's a motorcycle that is not perfect made cause that and for that, but at least now that I see it, looks good. It's okay. And also the tires that is got as a standard, it's okay in the street. It's okay. So I am positive. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, what about this motorcycle? Not many things to say about the brakes, looks okay. I have an opinion already for the engine, even if it's new, and the performance is enough. I have the power in there that I wanted, it's okay. The position of riding, it's enough for one person, doesn't matter how big and fat is. Also, we got a small place back to carry a second rider for a while, to do something inside the city or to going a bit outside of the city for in a beach, for example, or in a small tour to the near city and etc. Of course, this bike is not for the round of the world. It's let's say for the city and a little bit outside of it. It's good looking, it's got good quality, and I remember myself at 16, 18, 20, 22 years old, and yes, that was a bike that can bring me happiness. So Georgia, it's beautiful, yeah, it's very beautiful. I like it, it's beautiful. What do you think, Georgia?
If I was young, I would want one of these. It's light, it's nice inside the town, and I like looking at it. I like the noise a little bit of the engine.
It's the single.
It's a nice one.
We don't have vibrations. Normally the singles, they got many vibrations. Here we don't have many. And I have to tell you that even if you are not young and you don't like the scooters inside the city, because the motorcycles for the city are the scooter, then you can have something like this that is also don't need fuels. It just smell the gasoline.
And it's
so
stylish.
yes, it's nice. It's very good looking. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγαριά Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us. Θα πω ποίημα. Poetry time. Εις την ελιά εκάθισα κάτω εις το νησιό της και περίμενα να περάσει η γειτόνισσα να πάρω μάτι τα βυζά της. Αυτό. Quality.